Hi everyone, it's Molly and welcome to Molly's Home Cooking. Today I'm making my version to the iconic Austrian apple strudel, made with puff pastry for a quick and easy dessert. First, roughly chop 1.5 cups of raw walnuts and set aside. 4 apples needed for 2 complete strudels. I like the tangy taste of Granny Smith apples. Also, they are crisp and hold their shape. Peel, cut, and slice them for about quarter of an inch thickness. And submerge them in water to prevent oxidation while finishing cutting the rest of the apples. Drain the water and place the sliced apple in a medium pan. Add half a cup of sugar, half a tablespoon of ground cinnamon, the chopped walnuts, and a quarter of a cup of water. Mix gently and place it over a medium-high heat till it's come to a boil. Then reduce the heat to medium. Cooking the apples before baking will allow their juices to come out and reduce, so do not cover the apples. Let their juices reduce for about 8 to 10 minutes and stir occasionally. Add 1 tablespoon of cornstarch and 2 tablespoons of water. Mix well to a smooth slurry and add it at the last 2 minutes of cooking. Stir gently till all the juices thickened and you can see a thin film in the bottom of the pan. Remove from the heat and let it cool completely. All that process will prevent a soggy strudel. To make it an easy and quick dessert, I use a store-bought puff pastry. It's located in the frozen section in the supermarket. Throw it in the refrigerator to keep it chill. Lightly flour your working area and your rolling pin. Roll and rotate the dough in between till you get a rectangular shape. Don't roll it too long or too thin. Now place half of the apple filling in the center. The first cut should start about 2 inches from the top. Cut diagonal or straight, whatever is easier for you. And cut an even number of strips on both sides, parallel to each other. Now cut off the first row from both sides, leaving the center in place. And use both hands to lift and stretch it gently and fold it to seal the filling. Grab strips from both sides, stretch them gently and fold in a cross pattern, and repeat till you get to the bottom. Tie the edge to seal and cut away any excess of dough, and now you have a beautiful braided strudel. Grab the strudel gently with both hands to lift it carefully to a baking sheet. For the egg wash, beat 1 egg with 1 tablespoon of water. Brush the strudel all over. Use a small amount of egg wash each time to prevent dripping to the tray. If it happens, wipe it off with a paper towel. If not, the dripping egg wash will prevent the strudel to rise. Bake at 370 degrees Fahrenheit, prefer convection, for about 20 minutes or until it's golden. Strudel is best when it's fresh and crispy, so I always bake one and the second I freeze for a ready-to-bake dessert. After brushing the egg wash, I freeze it for an hour uncovered. When it's solid, I wrap it with a parchment paper and aluminum foil and keep it frozen. When I need some apple strudel, I just remove the aluminum foil and bake it frozen at 370 degrees Fahrenheit for about half an hour to 35 minutes. It depends in the oven. Cool the strudel completely on a wire rack before sprinkle some powdered sugar on top. And enjoy a crispy, delicious apple strudel. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please hit the like button, subscribe and share. See you at my next video.